Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to make crispy and crunchy potato chips. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the newer notifications. So without wasting time, let's get started. To make this recipe of hot potato chips or crispy potato chips, we need to choose the right potato for the recipe. So here I am taking 2 potatoes, solid potatoes, and I am peeling off the skin. Wash them nicely and dry using any tissue paper or any cloth. Now take any slicer and slice them very thin. Make sure that you use the thinnest setting in your slicer. Look at this, it should be too thin like this. Now remove the excess water, dry them thoroughly using any tissue paper or any cloth. After drying thoroughly, now fry it on a medium to high flame. Flip and fry it until they are golden crisp in color. Likewise, fry all the sliced potatoes. Can you hear the crispiness? Sprinkle some red chili powder and salt while serving it. Trust me guys, this is the easiest recipe ever. Do try it once and share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Thank you.